Katie here, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've played Slither.io. Okay, cat. GameStop.io. Bam. Today I just wanted to tell you guys a few things. So one of them is, most people think that I'm a cat. Well, like my OC Kit Kat is a cat, even though it's spelled like the candy Kit Kat. They still, they still think that I'm a cat, as in cat, especially like as an animal, the cat, because I make normally I draw my ears really, really pointy and long. And wolves' ears aren't normally really tall and pointy and long. Yeah. So that's probably the reason why. But just to clarify, I am a wolf. My OC Kit Kat is a wolf. All of my OCs, like pretty much all of my OCs are wolves. I have one deer OC. And yeah. Ooh. Yes. So yeah. I do have one that's a deer, but pretty much all of my OCs are wolves. I probably will make a cat OC in the future, and I don't mind like fan art or anything that has my OC Kit Kat as actual cat. But I just want to clarify that I am a wolf. I am, in fact, a wolf. I don't know. Just want to clarify that. Also, I have a challenge for you guys. So, this is for like if you have a YouTube channel, if you don't have a YouTube, like if you have a YouTube channel that you post on, if you don't, I challenge you to either on Sketch or on Animal Jam make me a piece of fan art, and like this isn't a contest, it's just a challenge, and everyone will get a shout out, but the winner will get a shout out, and in the link of the video where they get a shout out, it will have a link to their to their channel. So the winner, it is actually a contest. Whoops. But you guys get it, don't you? Don't you? I think you guys do. So yeah. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Just want to let y'all know that. Oh! No, dang it. So yeah, that is what I challenge y'all to do. And yeah.